How to view private inventory in Roblox. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So here's how you can view someone's Roblox inventory, even if it's set to private. So first of all, you need to launch your web browser and then go to roblox.com and log into your account. After that, find the profile of the person whose inventory that you want to see. Hover over to their name and then click on View Profile. Normally, you'd click on three dots on their profile and select Inventory to see their items. However, this only works if their inventory isn't private. If their inventory is private, go back to their profile and again click on the three dots. This time, select Favorites. If they've added items from their inventory to their favorites, you will be able to see them there. Keep in mind that they might not have favorite all of their private items. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.